Today I'm going to show you how to make over this old sweater that I found at the thrift store. First, I am going to remove the mock neck or the turtleneck. I'm just searching for the chain stitch that holds the turtleneck on the neckline, and once I did that, it was actually very easy to pull out. I inspected the neckline and it seems like it's going to hold on its own without finishing the edges. After that, I stitch heart embroideries on it. As you can see, like it has holes and the shape is perfect for hearts. So this type of stitch is actually called lazy daisy. Instead of doing 5 petals, I just decided to do 2 to form a heart shape. And I really love it. It sits perfectly on the grid. It's beautiful. Okay, it took me about an hour and a half to complete this. It was therapeutic and very calming. I love hand stitching. I was going to put some more on the shoulders, but I ran out of embroidery floss, so this will do, but I absolutely love how it turned out. How pretty is that?